welcome back to DesignCafe's YouTube channel with me, Ananya Jois, your interior architect. This past year, COVID-19 has meant families spending a whole lot of time at home with their loved ones. Building a reading corner at home is a great way to support your child's learning as well as creating a safe space for yourself. This you can also do with the materials available at your own home. Are you wondering if it's really that simple to build a reading corner? Trust me, it's as easy as ABC. Quickly hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you're new to our channel, and let me show you the 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick a cozy spot. Make sure the space is well lit and that there's a comfortable place to sit. Having a large window like this is a bonus addition. A pillow will do, or you could use a comfortable chair like a wing chair with a footstool. Before you place this, it would be great if you can find a small rug for the corner to make it all the more cozy. I did not have one, so I've adjusted without it. Step 2. Now that the place is identified, time to decorate the reading corner. Your imagination is the only limit. You can start by adding side tables on either side to keep books, coffee and more. Then we can add some plants which often give a great vibe and feel of an outdoor space indoors. We can also add little table plants as decor. If you have a floor lamp, that would be really useful for the Nook, but if you don't, that's okay too. Finally, some cushions to comfort the back and a throw to huddle up. Again, I did not have a throw, but if you do, don't forget to add that. Step 3, there we have it, a cozy reading nook. Make some hot coffee and enjoy a good book together in your new favorite corner of your home. Creating a reading corner like this can show your child the value of reading while creating a comfort space for you too. Hit like if you agree and share this with your friend who you would want to do this reading corner with. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, show us some love, and if you don't want to miss out on more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. If you're looking for home interiors, you can always click in the link in the description box below for a free design consultation from our expert interior designers. Until next time, this is me, Ananya Jois, signing off.